What's going on, guys? All in day 17. Let's get into it. Today's price action was definitely a little bit tricky at the beginning. On the daily, we did break structure on these daily lows. Price could have came down to these lows, or even came down back to these previous lows and retraced within here. So we had this daily gap that I was looking for. If price wanted to be bearish, it would have respected that. Now on the 4 hour, we did break structure. Right here. It's alright, we broke structure up right here. And then again, if price wanted to be bearish, it would respect this gap here and inverse this bullish 4 hour gap. On the 1 hour, price was also bullish, and disrespecting these 1 hour gaps, respecting this gap up here. So we didn't have much to go off of other than 4 hours bullish, 1 hour is bearish, and daily is bearish. So I really did want to see shorts, and I wanted to see this gap. These couple gaps get respected here. Yeah. So I was seeing this gap, this 1 hour gap, get respected on the hourly, and that was giving me confirmation that price wanted to be bearish. So let's go ahead and market opens here. Boom. Price comes down, takes out London low. ES does not, making an SMT. And we can see here, I knew it was happening. Alright. I wanted to enter. I felt like this was a little too early for me at 9:34. But I knew it was happening. I knew the Judah sweep and especially on a Monday with no news. Judah sweep, especially with the SMT, that was good confirmation. And all this trendline liquidity up here. So once I saw this SMT, and especially this type of candle here, like 5 minute, this coming down and it's really showing bullish pressure, I'm thinking a bullish bias, right? So I didn't enter. I decided, you know what, I'm not even going to trace the trend. So I waited and I waited. I waited for a retracement, and right here we get that retracement. I should have taken the trade on ES, but as you can see, technically ES is leading, but what the chart is showing me, what the market is showing me, is that NQ is actually leading. So once I saw NQ come into this gap, I wanted to see some type of break structure or even inverse this gap, and takes a little while. We get this break right here, but this wasn't enough. This wasn't enough for me, so I'd actually waited for the next candle to break structure above this high. So I entered right here. This was good confirmation for me. Stops below here, targets up here. All right. Like I said, there was a bunch of trendline liquidity, and this was my break-even point up here. So once price came up above here, went to break even, right, and took off 2 contracts, and I was letting it ride for a bit, and once I saw this candle right here, Price was going a little crazy right here, and it was moving really, really fast and hesitant, and it was tapping into this gap again. It gave me a little bit of fear, even though I was at break even. So you could say a bit of fear, a bit of greed, and I ended up closing my whole position here instead of letting price ride out to where I knew it was going to head. And inevitably it ended up coming all the way up here. I would have taken full TP, but definitely a bit scared. I should have let my runner run. I mean, I was in profit for the day, and that's all that matters. I don't care how much money it was. Of course, I wasn't thinking that at the time. I was definitely thinking about money, for sure. Seeing the number go up and down was getting me a little spooked, getting me scared, and thinking about making money instead of following my rules and and staying in this trade. But I was too hyper focused on the 1 minute time frame. If I just looked at the 5 minute, I probably would have been pretty good. But lessons learned from this, man. I mean, I just gotta let that shit ride out. Just the slightest bit of bearish pressure really got to me and got me a bit scared. So yeah, but it was definitely a good trading day today. I mean, it's SMT, sweep, and retracement. I mean, it's beautiful. Let's be real. But this right here really showed me that price wanted to move higher. If price didn't want to move higher, it would have kept coming. It would have been a thicker candle rather than this snail trail here and receding like that. So yeah, but with the SMT, that combination of things, just showed me that it wanted to be bullish, respecting this gap on the 1 hour, respecting the 4 hour gap, moving higher. Yeah, I mean, it was all there, but definitely too hyper focused on the 1 minute time frame, and should have let my runners run, be patient. I was feeling a bit impatient during this trade for sure. I was like, I don't even want to look at this anymore. I just want to close. I think definitely part of that. So patience, fear, it's really got to me today, and thinking about money. So that's all I got for you today, guys. I mean, let me know if y'all took a trade, if y'all didn't. Psychology is everything, and it's really showing. If y'all watch these videos and I have the strategy down, and it's definitely just mainly psychology, and most of the title of my videos is about psychology. So that shit is really taking a toll on me. But we're gonna get down, working towards this every day. But yeah, all said and done, guys. I will see y'all tomorrow for day 18. Peace.